Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in today's video I will show you unboxing of JIO FI. So let's get started. JIO FI 4 it is. I brought this from Reliance Digital for 999 rupees. And what are the features? Let us check. Create your own hotspot. You can connect with 31 devices, 2600 mAh battery. It supports 32 GB memory card. You can use the SD voice call and video call on any smartphone, and it is the wireless sharing through SD card. So let me open it now. This is the JIO FI. Let me keep it to the side, then open this. And this is the manual. Here you will get the adapter, and here is the cable, and this is the JIO pod. And check the offers down below. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll be soon back with some new video tutorial. Till then, bye.